You wouldn't believe how Horizon Wealth is changing personal finance in 2026. Most people think finance apps just track spending, but Horizon takes it several steps further. It helps you save, invest, and plan for the future, all in one place. The app allows you to set multiple financial goals, from building an emergency fund to saving for a vacation or even your first home. Horizon's smart algorithms automatically allocate funds based on your income and spending habits. This means you can make consistent progress toward your goals without even thinking about it. Over time, even small, regular contributions can grow significantly. Horizon also offers spending insights and predictive alerts. It monitors your bills, subscriptions, and daily expenses, notifying you if adjustments are needed to avoid overdrafts or overspending. The dashboard presents a clear, visual snapshot of your finances, so you can see exactly where your money is going and how close you are to reaching each goal. Security is top-notch. Horizon uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring to protect your accounts. All deposits are FDIC insured, and customer support is available via chat or email. The main limitation: Horizon focuses mainly on goal-based saving and personal finance management. It's not a full-service investment platform or bank, but if your priority is to automate savings, manage spending, and gain actionable insights into your finances, Horizon is a solid choice. So, is Horizon Wealth worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for anyone looking for a modern, secure, and intelligent way to take control of their money. Subscribe to stay updated on the best finance tools available today.